17 rooms with moody color schemes. This French-inspired dining room, as seen in Mad About the House, features everything we love about moody decor and more. The deep blue walls create a sophisticated yet vintage atmosphere, and with the addition of soft candlelight, it becomes instantly romantic. With a gorgeous dining space like this, you'll want to skip the local restaurant and plan a date night at home. Add some atmosphere to your kitchen with a touch of chalkboard paint. This fun kitchen wall from the design files is a great way to add a splash of dark paint that's beautiful and practical. Try this look in a kid's room, on a pantry door, or even the inside of your front door. Pro tip: you can easily DIY your own chalkboard paint. One key element in keeping moody decor schemes from feeling heavy or depressing is to embrace the natural light in your home. As seen in this dark green and sunny yellow room from my Scandinavian home, painting bold, dark walls in rooms with a lot of natural light can help the space to feel larger and more open. Cheerful pops of color like this yellow bedspread are also a great way to accent the look. When done right, layering opposite colors like black and white gives a room elegance and visual interest. This bold black fireplace from Claire on Instagram looks much more refined and modern when paired with stark white candles and flowers. Creating a stunning contrast is a great way to incorporate dark colors into your space. Though dark blues, purples and grays are often considered in moody decor schemes, a deep and bold red also does the trick. The red tones seen in this modern bathroom from Impression feel both masculine and spa-like, and are a great way to play with the moody look even if shades of blue aren't your thing. Many of our favorite moody rooms have bright pops of color, but this mostly black room from Around the House's blog is utterly romantic and sophisticated. Fully embrace the moody look by pairing rich leather furniture with dark walls. The layered accessories in this room feel curated and purposeful. Dark hues often naturally lend a vintage feel to a space, as seen in this delightfully classic laundry room from Building Walnut Farm. The hunter green wainscoting in the space gives it a rich and inviting feel, and hey, who doesn't need an excuse to do laundry? Painting paneling, trim or wainscoting a rich color is a great way to ease into the moody look and give a room texture. A moody decor scheme doesn't have to be all-consuming, as evident in this beautiful brick-filled living space from blog Dimples and Tangles. If you aren't ready to dive headfirst into this trend, painting a large accent like this built-in, a dark charcoal or black, can give you the moody look without a huge makeover. This stylish and chic kitchen from interior designer Annabelle Kutuku proves that even an industrial aesthetic can be moody. We adore this stark black wall and trendy black tile work. Pair a dark kitchen with open shelving and light accessories, like the all-white dishes seen in this room, and your space will feel modern instead of gloomy. The moody floral look has been increasing in popularity for a few years now. And by the looks of this bedroom from blogger Anne Sage, it's easy to see why. Rich, bold wallpaper is a great choice for rooms of all types, because it packs a punch and makes a statement without a lot of effort. This atmospheric pink, white and black option screams elegance and sophistication, even in a minimalist bedroom. When deciding to use a bold floral wallpaper, choose rooms with a simple color palette. The bathroom is another great choice, so as not to overwhelm. If you can't part with your stark white walls, how about moody floors instead? This deep brown herringbone flooring from designer Louise Desrosiers is everything we love about dark color palettes, without giving up your lighter colored walls. A dark floor paired with a white wall can also make a small room look much more spacious and open, which makes it a perfect choice for small spaces and large ones alike. A rich decor scheme doesn't have to be flat. This stunning, detailed wallpaper, as seen on HomePolish, has a moody yet calming feel with a little bit of flair. Though it's a rich purple, it looks light and airy when set alongside modern furnishings and gold accents. From global, well-traveled decor to trendy mid-century, sometimes it's impossible to pick just one style to get behind. And that's okay, because no glitter no glory proves you can mix and match and still make it work. The deep blue walls look perfect paired with woven throw pillows and funky mid-century mirrors. Throw in a monstera leaf or a banana leaf plant and you'll have a funky look that feels just the right amount of eclectic. Decorating with branches and dried berries is a great, low-maintenance way to bring the outdoors in. This stunning, yet simple, table setting, as seen on CRD blog, is a great example of how a few simple pops of color can transform dark walls. Mixing moody grays and deep blues with neons lends a bit of visual interest and immediately draws the eye. Though dark, moody colors tend to look instantly chic and sophisticated, it doesn't mean you can't have a little fun. This wonderfully rich, dark brown room from Beautiful Object reminds us of a grown-up doll house, especially with the addition of these colorful Eames-styled chairs. Adding a bold, bright couch to your moody decor is a great way to spice things up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.